Towers Resort on the front row of Nemesis Reborn. This legendary coaster originally opened as Nemesis back in 1994. It was closed throughout 2023 and then of course reopened in 2024 as Nemesis Reborn after a retrack. This is one of the most ridden roller coasters anywhere in the world, and it's great to be able to actually film and show you this on ride for the first time. My reaction to Nemesis here at the home park, Alton Towers. We're going to be going through 4 different inversions. G-force up to 4.7. Here we go. Are you ready? It's Nemesis here at Alton Towers. Woo! Making our way down into the corkscrew. Wow! It's that downward helix. A 0G roll into the stall turn before heading down into the loop. Here we go. Amazing. I love it. It's our final corkscrew. Through the smoke. Oh, it really feels as though your feet are going to bash against the rocks. Oh, incredible. I love Nemesis to bits, I really do. And the overall package on here now is just excellent. Thanks for joining me here for a ride here on Theme Park Worldwide. Nemesis at Alton Towers. Will you be visiting this year? Comment down below and let me know in the video comments. And that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.